A lactation consultant has a very special role in the lives of new breastfeeding mums and their infants, often assisting with a variety of issues. Our lactation consultant of the year is Katrina McCarthy, who shows great care and devotion in ensuring that mums and babies are happy and healthy.
The role of the lactation consultant really has to do with supporting the mum in whatever way she's able to breastfeed. So you make place for whatever the mother brings to her breastfeeding, and she can bring all sorts of things because the world is full of individual mothers and individual babies.
I had problems breastfeeding with my first baby, and I always wished afterwards that I had used the services of a lactation consultant earlier. I found working with Katrina excellent. I mean, Katrina's a very calm, relaxed person, and I think that's what you need when you're a new mum and there's a lot of stress associated with a new baby. You want someone to come into your house who's calm, who's relaxed. It's only been a week since I met with Katrina. All my issues have been resolved, and basically now I'm finding breastfeeding such a rewarding experience, something I never thought would be possible. And really it's all down to Katrina that I'm having this experience now.
I would like to say a really big thank you to Jacinta Carty for having nominated me for Lactation Consultant of the Year award.